Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark your universal S-loom for the rib stitch. Now the loom I'm using is 192 peg, 60 inch, 5/8 inch gauge universal S-loom from Cindywood. Now how you mark it for the rib stitch is this one is already marked. You can purchase them already marked, or if you've got one it's already marked for the figure 8 stitch, you'll have different pegs on there marked other than what this is. So what you want to do is take fingernail polish or rubber bands or tape or something and mark the pegs I'm getting ready to give you the numbers to. And if I'm going too fast, the numbers are in the description of this video. So you're going to mark your, I'm using this peg right here in the corner as peg 1. So you'll mark your very last peg, which will be 192, then peg 1, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, and 53. You will twist it around to the opposite side and you're going to mark the exact same pegs. So it'll be 192, 1, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, and peg number 53. Once your pegs are marked, this is how you do the figure 8 stitch. This is how you do the rib stitch. I'm going to zoom in just so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, you're going to E-wrap your bottom 2 pegs, go up and wrap 2, down and wrap 2, up and wrap 2, down and wrap 2, up and wrap 2. At this point, you're coming to your first white peg. You're going to skip it and just keep going with this design. So you will just do this pattern all the way around the loom, skipping the white pegs as you come to them. Once you get all the way to the other side, it'll look like this. Or to that other end, this is what it's going to look like. All the white pegs will be empty, or whatever, however you've marked your pegs. Now at this point, something I suggest to really help is get a piece of scrap yarn that is a contrasting color. Just kind of place it inside this S shape. Do that all the way around. And then you'll leave, 5-6 inches on both sides and tuck them down through. And of course you'll push all the loops on the peg down. What this is going to do, this is going to separate that first row stitches from everything else, so that when you are done, if you want, there are some different ways you can finish off this beginning edge of your blanket. So that is an optional step. So once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're just going to continue wrapping your pegs. You are going to go back and wrap the pegs the exact same way that you did the first time around. And we'll just say we did all the way around. As you can see, there'll be 2 rows and they're going to match up because you're doing just the same pattern. At this point, you'll take that bottom loop over the top loop, push it down, and you're just going to keep repeating this process until you're done. This first row is the only row that you need to put the extra piece of string on, just to separate it out, which I have a separate video that will show you how you finish that off, which those video links are in the description below, as well as a video link for how to cast off this blanket when you're done with it. So I do hope this helps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for watching.